Hello, welcome to the Will It Fund series from Finance Agents. What you're about to see is a dramatization of a real live funding example. You're going to see a sample call between somebody in our company and a prospective borrower that we worked with in the past. They may have funded, they might not. You're going to watch the scenario and at the end, go into the comments and put your thoughts on whether or not you think they're going to be a fundable client and what kind of financing they get. Without any further ado, let's get it started. Will It Fund number 2. Hello, how you doing today?
I'm doing great. How about yourself?
I am doing great. I hear you're looking for funding for your business. Tell me about your business. What are you looking to do?
Sure. I have an established business. It's a spa.
A spa?
A spa.
Okay, great.
And it's more of a higher end spa with a certain clientele.
Certain clientele, what's that?
It's more of a luxury.
Okay, luxury clientele. All right. Great, sounds nice. So you're looking to, what are you looking to do? What do you need cash for?
Well, my biggest need right now is inventory. Soaps, stones, all these different merchandise and items we utilize within our spa.
Is that expensive?
It can be, but I'm coming into my busy period and I'm well understocked.
Getting some expensive soap and stones.
There you go.
Okay, all right. Okay, so how long have you been in operation?
Probably about 2.5 years.
2.5 years. How many years have you filed business tax returns?
I've had at least 2 years.
So 2 years of tax returns. The first year, what we normally see is you're running at a loss because you just started. Is that what happened for you?
Yeah, it wasn't pretty.
Okay, what about the second year?
Second year, second year
net profit or net loss?
I had a small staff of about 3 people, and so it was probably right around break even.
All right, what was your gross before costs?
Okay, well, I would say right around 180,000.
So 180, about broke even, and now we're midway through the year. How are you looking this year? Do you have P&Ls? Are you on track?
Sure, I can have full financials, and we're trending up in the right direction.
Okay, all right. So things are looking up. Are you the sole owner, or do you have partners?
Yeah, it's just me, and just recently went through a divorce, so it's just me and myself and I.
Sometimes that means that there's credit issues. If you've recently gone through a divorce, we see it happen a lot. What's your personal credit looking like?
Well, you said it right there. My credit's not the best in the world because of this, because of my divorce. So
Can you give me a little,
say it's going to be
some color on
in the
that?
550 range.
Okay, all right. So the credit's pretty low. All right. So do you have any assets that you can use as outside collateral? Maybe real estate, for example. Do you own the building that your business is in? Do you own your home? Any sort of investment properties?
Don't own my home now, and I don't own the property. I do have some retirement assets.
Retirement assets. Okay, tell me about that. How much do you have in your retirement account?
Roughly right around $45,000 in retirement assets from a previous employer.
Okay, so that's a 401k?
That's right.
Okay, all right. And how much do you need in order to buy, I would imagine if it's buying soap and stones, not too much. What are you looking for?
Well, it's as much as possible because outside of the inventory as well, I want to bring on a couple more people for staff.
Okay.
So the more people I have to give attention to our clients, the more revenue we'll be able to generate in our busy season.
All right, so if you have, if we could get $40K out of your retirement account, would that help you achieve some of the results that you're looking for? Is that be sufficient in order to move forward?
It would help. It's not going to be the full-on answer, but the most important thing is getting through the next couple months, and therefore, that would be a big help.
Okay. Do you happen to know anybody else who is close to you, maybe a friend, family member with really good credit that might be willing to co-sign on financing for your business?
Well, my ex-wife, but we're not going to ask her.
Really?
No. I don't. It's
okay.
No, it's
all right. So nobody now.
That could be a question.
Keep it in mind. That's always an option if we're able to do it. Do you need any equipment that's larger than just small things? I mean, tables or signage or anything like that?
I would. That's not the primary thing, but that could definitely help because of the expansion with the extra staff.
Okay. All right. Well, I think that's about enough for us to get started. I'm going to send out an application.
Okay.
When we get that back, we'll be able to get you an answer within 24 hours and let you know what we're looking at.
Sounds great. I appreciate it.
Okay, so you watched it. What do you think? Now is your chance to weigh in. Go to the bottom. Click a thumbs up if you think it's going to fund. Click a thumbs down if you think it won't. If you have additional questions that you would have asked this customer, put them in the notes. If you think you know what they're going to get or have an idea on how much, put that in the comments too. Put your vote in, tell your friends, get some bragging rights, and come back on the Wednesday show to see if you were right.